Welcome back to Rachel B. the Healthy We. Today I'm going to be making for you a ricotta cheesecake with eggnog flavor, which is perfect for the holiday season. Now today I'm going to be making a double batch since I'm going to be using a larger tray. If you'd like to make a single batch, go ahead and cut this recipe in half and you'll make a normal 8 to 9 inch pan worth. We're going to be using 16 ounces of cream cheese softened to room temperature, 2 cups of ricotta cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and about a quarter little pinch of salt. And then of course, clove is optional, but I like to do a little pinch because I like the spiciness. We're going to be using 2 teaspoons of rum extract, 1 cup of sweetener. I'm going to be using allulose today, but you can switch that up if you desire, and 6 whole eggs. We're going to go ahead, and since this is room temperature, we're going to mix the cream and the cream cheese and the ricotta together. Once we've completed that, we will add all the additional ingredients and then mix them in and do 1 egg at a time. I'm letting you know what the process is because I'll be quiet during that process so we can speed it up and get through this video faster. And then we're going to go ahead and get it ready for the oven. We'll go ahead and show you what that looks like in just a minute, and let's get mixing. All right, there's our mixed together mixture. Not gonna lie, by hand that was a little rough. Gonna go ahead and get our pan and we'll get it ready to put in the oven. All right, I have buttered a disposable tin that I buy at Sam's Club, and I apologize, I don't know the exact size. It's been a while since I purchased them, but I keep them around just in case, which is good because with us doing the temporary living, this has come in handy. I used butter to keep this a carnivore friendly recipe, but you certainly can grease your pan with a little bit of oil if that's what you'd like to spray out. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to pour this directly into the tray. And now this recipe is really easy. Here's the hard part. You're going to put it in a 325 degree oven. That is a fairly cool oven. And with this quantity of batter, it's going to take a little while to actually cook. You want to do a slower cook because it's almost custard-like, and so that you don't crack it or break it, you want to make sure that it's kind of a low and slow. So 325 for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. Nice thing about this is you can go do something else, watch some TV, come back to it. So let's go ahead and put it in the oven, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And we're back, and it is completely cooked. So this was 1 hour at 325. Again, we do it low and slow. If you were doing a half batch or a normal batch instead of the double batch like I did here, then you probably would only have to do about 40 to 45 minutes. But again, I did a full 60 at the 325 because I had a much larger batch. So as you can see, it has a slight minute jiggle, fairly firm. It's very custard-like, as I had mentioned before. And you get this nice golden browning from the allulose on there. It smells wonderful. I recommend chilling this before you serve it. If you serve it now, it has more of a custard-like texture. If you wait and chill it, it actually gets a little bit more of a hybrid between cheesecake and custard. Smells wonderful. Tastes exactly like eggnog, but in a wonderful ricotta cheesecake form. Hope you guys give this a try and enjoy. Thanks for watching.